Welcome to our YouTube channel, Information Ether. For millennia, humans have been obsessed with the strange, vivid world of dreams. Around 3000 BCE, ancient Mesopotamian kings were already recording their dreams on clay tablets. Fast forward 1,000 years, and Egyptians were cataloging dream meanings in detailed books. And yet, even today, we're still asking, why do we dream? Despite centuries of research and technological leaps, we don't have a single, definitive answer. But, we do have some compelling theories. One theory says dreams are wish fulfillment. Sigmund Freud believed our dreams, even the scary ones, are filled with symbols representing our hidden desires. He thought analyzing these symbols could unlock our subconscious and help us resolve inner conflicts. Another idea: dreams help us remember. Studies show that dreaming during sleep can significantly boost memory. Participants who dreamed about a maze they were learning performed much better than those who didn't. Some scientists believe dreams are a sign that our brains are actively processing and storing memories. But what if dreams also help us forget? Our brains have a vast network of connections. One theory suggests that during sleep, especially REM, our brains review and discard unnecessary connections. This unlearning process, which manifests as dreams, keeps our brains from getting overloaded. Then there's the idea that dreams keep our brains active. When we sleep, our brains generate data from memory to stay engaged. Think of it as a screensaver for your mind, ensuring it doesn't completely shut down. Dreams might also be a form of rehearsal. Dreams involving danger could be preparing us for real-life threats, practicing our fight or flight instincts. Some scientists believe dreams help us heal emotionally. During REM sleep, stress hormones are lower, even during traumatic dreams. This suggests dreams might help us process difficult experiences in a less stressful environment, leading to psychological healing. Finally, dreams might be problem-solving tools. Unbound by logic, our dreaming minds can create endless scenarios to tackle challenges. Remember Auguste Kekulé? He discovered the structure of benzene in a dream. Sometimes, sleeping on it really does work. These are just a few of the many theories. As technology advances, we might one day uncover the definitive answer. Until then, we'll keep dreaming, exploring the mysteries of our sleeping minds. What do you think dreams are for? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more mind-bending content.